In this video, I'm gonna show you how to sign up Temple wallet account on your phone. So first of all, open up your App Store or Google Play, and after that type in search icon and type in here Temple wallet and tap enter. After that, scroll down until you find Temple wallet mobile. Tap on get button. So after successful installation, tap on open button, allow notification, and after that you can tap on create a new wallet or continue with iCloud. Let me tap on create a new wallet. You should be typing your password, at least 8 characters, and repeat your password one more time. After that, scroll down, and here you can use Face ID to unlock the application, and now you should be accept the terms, and after that tap on create button. So now you can see backup your wallets, don't lose your wallet, save your access to account. You can tap on backup to iCloud or backup manually. I prefer using backup manually, and now you can see manual backup seed phrase. Tap to reveal right here and copy your seed phrase. And after that, tap on I made seed phrase backup and tap on next. After that, you should be typing word from your seed phrase. After that, tap on next button right here. So as you can see, I completely signed up new Temple wallet account. That's it. I hope it helps. You can watch this new video or this playlist about cryptocurrency. And also please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up.